The cosmic treasure hunt. Is gold found on any planet in the solar system? Have you ever wondered if the treasures of Earth extend beyond our planet? Could the cosmic vault of our solar system hold deposits of gold waiting to be discovered? Gold, the symbol of wealth and power, has fascinated humanity for centuries. But what if I told you that gold doesn't just belong to Earth? Could it be hiding beneath the sands of Mars or within the icy moons of Jupiter? Could the asteroid belt be the ultimate gold mine? Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the truth about gold in the solar system. Prepare yourself for an adventure that spans planets, moons, and even asteroids. The origins of gold. Let's begin with a fundamental question. Where does gold come from? Gold is not native to Earth. It was forged in the heart of massive stars through a process called nucleosynthesis. When these stars reached the end of their lives, they exploded in cataclysmic supernovae. In these violent stellar deaths, elements like gold were scattered across the cosmos. Some of it was also created in the collisions of neutron stars, events so rare that they light up galaxies. Billions of years ago, this gold found its way to the early solar system. It was embedded in asteroids, comets, and planet-forming materials. This means that every atom of gold we have on Earth has an interstellar origin. Imagine wearing a piece of jewelry that carries the legacy of dying stars. Gold on Earth. On Earth, gold is found in the crust, often deposited by hydrothermal processes. Rainwater, enriched with minerals from the Earth's interior, carries gold to the surface. Tectonic plate movements expose these deposits, making mining possible. But Earth's geology is unique, shaped by its active core, a thick atmosphere, and liquid water. This combination has concentrated gold into mineable deposits. Other planets don't share the same conditions. Without tectonic shifts or flowing water, how would gold behave elsewhere? So how does this affect the presence of gold elsewhere in the solar system? Gold on the moon. Let's turn our attention to the moon. Apollo missions brought back samples of lunar soil and rocks. Scientists found trace amounts of gold, but nothing substantial. Why is the moon so barren compared to Earth? The moon lacks tectonic activity, which helps concentrate gold. It also has no atmosphere or liquid water to aid in mineral transport. The gold there remains scattered and inaccessible, a cosmic tease. Additionally, the moon's smaller size means it didn't retain as much of the heavy elements like gold during its formation. The question remains, could future technology extract even these tiny traces? Mars, the red planet. Next, we land on Mars, our closest planetary neighbor. Mars has a history of volcanic activity, which is key to forming mineral deposits. Its ancient riverbeds and dried-up lakes suggest water once flowed there. Could this have transported gold, just like on Earth? NASA's rovers have found hints of sulfide minerals, often associated with gold. These findings suggest that gold could exist beneath the Martian surface, hidden in its crust. But so far, no definitive gold deposits have been identified. Mars remains a tantalizing mystery for treasure hunters and scientists alike. Imagine if future Martian colonies stumble upon deposits of gold. What would that mean for human settlement? The gas giants and their moons. What about the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn? These massive planets don't have solid surfaces, so mining them is out of the question. But their moons are a different story. Take Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Beneath its icy surface lies a vast ocean of liquid water. If hydrothermal vents exist there, they could theoretically host mineral deposits, including gold. Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons, also ejects plumes of water from its subsurface ocean. Could these plumes contain traces of gold, brought up from the moon's interior? Saturn's moon Titan, with its thick atmosphere and complex chemistry, is another candidate. While no evidence of gold has been found yet, these moons are worth exploring. What mysteries lie beneath their alien landscapes? Asteroids, the gold mines of space. Now, let's shift our focus to the asteroid belt. Asteroids are remnants of the early solar system, rich in metals and minerals. One asteroid, Psyche 16, is thought to be composed largely of metallic iron and nickel. It may also contain vast amounts of gold and platinum. NASA is launching a mission to Psyche, aiming to study its composition up close. Could this be the next frontier in mining? Asteroid mining could offer humanity an almost limitless supply of resources. But how would this impact Earth's economy? Imagine the impact of bringing back tons of gold from space. Would it devalue this precious metal or spark a new space-age economy? Challenges of mining gold in space. But space mining is no simple task. The distances are vast, requiring advanced propulsion technologies. Extracting gold in zero gravity poses significant engineering challenges. Mining equipment would need to function in harsh, radiation-filled environments. Transporting the material back to Earth is another logistical nightmare. And let's not forget the ethical and legal dilemmas. Who owns the resources of space? International treaties, like the Outer Space Treaty, aim to address this, but questions remain. Could asteroid mining lead to conflict over ownership and access? Or could it unite humanity in a shared cosmic enterprise? The future of space gold exploration. Despite the challenges, humanity is inching closer to becoming a spacefaring species. Private companies and governments are investing billions in space exploration. Missions to the Moon, Mars, and asteroids are laying the groundwork for resource extraction. Could gold mining become a reality in our lifetime? The answer lies in the hands of scientists, engineers, and policymakers. What kind of technology will we need to unlock these treasures? Could we one day see a gold rush, not in California, but in the stars? The final frontier of wealth. So is gold found on other planets in the solar system? The answer is a mix of yes and no. Gold is scattered across the solar system, from the Moon to Mars to asteroids. But finding it in accessible, minimal concentrations is the real challenge. As we venture further into space, who knows what treasures we might uncover? The story of gold in the cosmos is far from over. What do you think? Will humanity strike gold among the stars, or will it remain a dream? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, keep exploring, keep questioning, and stay curious. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Space Know-How. Stay tuned for more incredible journeys into the mysteries of space. Until next time, keep looking up.